Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add background in CapCut, enhance video with background, easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open CapCut onto your device and open the project wherein you want to go ahead and add in the clips to add background into your video. So as you can see, I'm currently onto a project that has clips already. But if you haven't imported the clips onto your end, simply click onto the import button in here to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop it in here. Right after, I'm going to use this one as a background. So we're going to use this or drag and drop it here onto the timeline as our main material. So you have this one over here and we're going to use this video in here. We're going to drag and drop it again in here. Let's adjust this first to match the background, or you could lengthen the background. But for this tutorial, we're just gonna go ahead and adjust the video here. So we're gonna go ahead and delete to right for that. Right after, since we're using the bottom part in here as our background, we're gonna remove the green screen for this. So we're gonna go ahead and click on remove BJ here. Just simply click onto this one first, and then right after, we're gonna use chroma key. So make sure that that one is turned on, and we're going to click onto this eye drop tool to pick a color. So we're just going to simply pick the green one here onto the background of this video. So as you can see, it has completely removed the green screen effect. So we could also adjust intensity for this, also its shadows, feather edge, and many more, so that they should go ahead and give us the video that we're looking for. And if we do a quick preview, this is now how the video should look like together with its background. And that is how easy to add a background in CapCut Enhance Video with a background. And if you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.